Right this way, my friends. Come closer. Come closer. Ah, a brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you.
You can be our engineer, Hondo.
Alright, it's time to fly. Our instructions.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
You gotta line up behind the train, so you gotta go up and down with the train, okay?
Fasten your seatbelts, everyone. And pull on the...
Yes. Automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are outlined. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Make it! Go! Alright, get ready to steer, John. I got the left and right.
Oh, there's the train. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Ah, there it is. After that train. Gunners, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Then behind the train, gunners, fire the harpoon. Gunners, shoot the train.
Do it, Gunners! Do it, Gunners! I thought we were in control. Come on, Gunners! You got it!
So close. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train.
John, why?
It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here.
High speed!
John, why did you wreck us?
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
We tried our best.
We landed it.